Shine my country people, how on a day I don't bring another ogbonge movie come for una domot again. Oh, na as they do one for my page. No dull moment at all. As dem dey cook am na side dey carry come give una. It's still your one and only amiable girl Cindy. I come inform una say Sonia Uche, our favorite queen, and her man don drop another ogbonge movie. This time around, this one too sweet. You can't afford to miss this one. See, anything wey I dey drop for my page, no dey dull for my update at all. As I post am, as e dey hot, make you sef dey sharp dey go watch am. No dey snooze at all. Make I even play this one, make you sef watch small.
Everything. Let me bring the food.
Okay. Thank you. Happiness. Just relax, okay?
Sir, I'm trying to, but the way you're holding me makes it impossible.
I beg our man, they easy they touch am. You know, small thing the thing. I beg. Omo guys, Sonia Uche finish work for this particular one. This girl sabi art. This girl is a screen goddess. She's everything and more. If you never watched this one, I beg, rush now to YouTube. I will drop the title for comment section. All I need you guys to do is just, if you never watch them, just type title for comment section and I will drop it ASAP. No dulling at all. This particular one, you gotta like here. Okay guys, see you guys on my next episode. Ngwanu, stay safe out there. Bye.